Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of LinkedIn and uncovering some incredible ways on how you can make money from this professional networking platform. So if you are ready to boost your income and career, stick around because we have got some golden information to share. I will share with you 4 amazing strategies to make money on LinkedIn. But before we jump into the fantastic stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you are always in the loop with our valuable content. Now let's get started on turning your LinkedIn game into a money-making powerhouse. LinkedIn is not just about connecting with colleagues and updating your job history. It's a golden mine for generating income if you know the right strategies. If you have a specific skill set like graphic designing, writing, or marketing, you can offer your services to your LinkedIn connections. Showcase your expertise through engaging posts and articles and watch the project offers roll in. Now let's talk about creating and selling courses. If you are an expert in a particular field, share your knowledge through online courses. These can range from professional development to industry-specific skills. Not only does this establish you as an authority, but it can also provide a steady stream of income. Now here is a sneaky one, affiliate marketing. Partner up with companies or products you believe in and promote them in your network. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win for everyone. Another powerful strategy is lead generation and sales. By strategically building your network with potential clients or customers, you can offer them your products or services directly. This approach requires a bit of finesse, but the results can be incredibly rewarding. So these are 4 rock solid strategies to make money from LinkedIn. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistent networking. If you are excited to level up your income, start implementing these strategies today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your professional network. See you in the next video.